Unleash the power of AI to transform your imagination into moving art with Midjourney's video capabilities. First, craft a compelling prompt. Think about the scene, the motion, and the overall aesthetic. The more detailed, the better. For example, try something like a majestic phoenix rising from ashes, cinematic lighting, hyper-realistic detail. Midjourney will then generate four image variations based on your prompt. Select the one you like the most, or upscale one that is close to your vision. Upscaling refines the image and provides a higher resolution base for animation. To create a short animation, use the shorten command on your original prompt. This command helps optimize the prompt to generate videos. For looping visuals, focus on prompts that describe cyclical movements. Think waves crashing, clouds drifting, or objects rotating. Experiment with different prompts and iterative refinement. Keep adjusting and regenerating until you achieve your desired outcome. With Midjourney, the possibilities for AI-powered video creation are limitless. So dive in, experiment, and unleash your creative vision. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI art tutorials.